All right, y'all, quick DIY, fried Oreos. Let's get our ingredients. Pancake batter, a mixing bowl, a fork, some vegetable oil, milk. We're gonna get you a deep fryer, a frying pan. Now let's mix our ingredients. Let's make sure we get a nice thick consistency. There we go. We're using double stuffed Oreos. Dip them in. Have your heat on high at first, then we're gonna turn them down. Make sure they're nice and thick, like so. And drop them in. Yes, sir, look at that. Now for the icing on the cake, the powdered sugar. You can take a spoon or whatever you like, get the wanted amount out, sprinkle it over your fried Oreos, golden brown or dark brown, however you like them, and enjoy. Let's not forget to clean up after ourselves. Clean as you go, very important. And now for the grand finale, y'all. Yes, yes. Man. Wow.